If you ever find the process to add words to Anki complex, then this video is surely for you. You need to download AutoHotkey, which is a scripting language software and it's free. Next, you download Chrome Dictionary extension and lastly the Oxford Dictionary API. After downloading the project from the link below in the video, you will click the start app.ahk. So if you haven't used this software before, please back up and sync your Anki before clicking yes. And after clicking yes, it will open your Anki and try to import the default deck that is needed for the software to work initially. On successful installation, it will give you a pop-up and then you again click on the application icon, which gives you ID and the application key. To insert, you'll go to the Oxford Dictionary API and then get your app ID and the app key for free. You agree to their terms and conditions and then you're gonna paste those details in the dictionary api.ahk file. Save your API ID and key in this file. Restart the application and then click the tilde button to start the app to work. So as soon as you press this button, you need to copy the word and then you copy the meaning. And lastly, you copy the sentence where you found the word. For example, I'm copying any demo sentence. So after copying the sentence, it will automatically load the software with the images if there are any images found over the internet, and then you click OK. If your Anki is not open, then it will automatically try to open Anki, because sometimes Anki is slow for syncing initially. If you leave Anki open, you won't find this error often. And you go to recover last word and you can recover the last word easily. So clicking OK will automatically take you to the Anki and then it will paste everything in there and then boom. So it's quite easy to use the software. We'll try to delete the default deck and see if it adds the deck automatically. So let's try the example again and press the tilde button. Then copy the word, the meaning, and then copy the sentence. I'm trying the demo, so copying any sentence. Sometimes it gives you the timeout, so you can try some more time in the settings. So it gives you the view. You can also remove the pictures. As you see, there is only one picture left. Then click OK. It will again add the word, selecting the card and the deck type as done in the settings automatically. So I'm gonna delete the card type and see if it adds the card type automatically. So let's run the application again by pressing the tilde button. So you're gonna copy the word and then you're gonna copy the meaning. And lastly, you copy the sentence. I'm copying anything just for random. Next, you click the OK button. And it will open the Anki and then, as you can see, it says the card is not found. Click OK and it will try to add the card. It will again paste everything in Anki. So this is very easy. You can download the project over the GitHub. Please don't forget to subscribe for more videos.